What's up, guys? The video you're about to watch is from this past weekend, this past Saturday, November the 11th, and we went duck hunting. As you might guess from the title of the video, that's probably why you're here. We went duck hunting. We actually had our best luck so far. Took 3, which you'll see in the video. Only were able to recover 2. Third one the pond took back, so you can't be too upset about that. At least nature's getting its own stuff back better than it dying somewhere weird. So can't complain about that. Mine for sure, pretty sure is a ring neck. Not pretty sure, 100% sure is a ring neck. I got that guy in my freezer all set up right because I'm actually gonna get it mounted. Because 1, I've never gotten anything mounted in my life. 2, it's a first for me. I'm super excited. And that's pretty much the extent to it. So that's what I'm doing with that one. Still alive. You want me to get it? You want me to get it?
Am I moving at all?
Yeah. Can't touch the
Watch
bottom.
how hard you pull me out.
Yeah, I know. It'll just be easier to just pull you in.
I don't know what kind of fish that is.
It's called a buffalo.
Oh, look at that. Oh, I thought that's just wrong. You know, as stupid as I look, it worked, so I don't care.
I know it did. I know. That was
Can you go right here? Am I wet right here?
a little bit. I think your jacket's stopping it. That's a pretty duck.
You have 550 in your bag?
Swims up.
Wow. I saw a shotgun shell over here, and I think...
Huh?
Will you reload this for me?
Yeah.
Oh, no.
I'm trying to pull this.
Where's yours?
Yeah, I'll get the boy. get that rope anyway.
that one.
Yeah.
I gotta go home with something.
Okay, guys. So we have three. Looks to be about the same type. These, I think they're called buffaloes. So we have a smaller one and a nice bigger one. We have a third out there that he's gonna go. Yeah, it came out pretty well. It was good because we can get pretty far right here. And I feel like on the other few spots we just weren't getting them out far enough.
We weren't getting them out far enough, and we're kind of lazy about the pattern we put them in, I think.
Yeah, I watched some more videos on it, and I was seeing like a lot of people were successful with like a split pattern, like a... I think they were saying something. But anyway, like a strip pattern.
Huh?
Just like a strip, like two groups on each side, and like a strip that they can like tuck down on.
Oh no, yeah,
You might just be getting a little cold because that was me.
I'm so wet, like my whole, everything but my legs are still dry for now.
Alright.
If you want, I can drive over like that way real quick and see.
But if you've made it this far, I thought I might be able to persuade you into liking and subscribing. I know, it's kind of difficult. Just kidding. It's not that hard, but I know not everybody likes the content. And if you don't like the content, you don't have to watch it and you don't have to subscribe. But if you've made it this far and you've watched this video and you like these kinds of videos, and I have lots of other videos, you might like it. So I'd appreciate it if you check it out. Really trying to grow on here as well as other platforms. So stay tuned. I also have a giveaway coming up. So thank you.